AUR stock analysis and AUR stock prediction. What I'm doing here is just going to break down my exact play and everything with Aurora Innovation. Ultimately speaking, with a 4% correction, I'm not that big of a fan. But let's zoom out to look at the biggest, like the broader picture, like, because I want to have a lot of freaking context on this. Last time I made a video, it delivered, so that's cool. I don't know why people hate on this. That's decent. Well, now when it's sort of kind of get choppy and whatnot, like all over the place, well, I understand the frustration, but look, like the only thing that will make me buy this is if a full candle close breaks above 634. And if this doesn't happen, then I guess I'm not gonna buy. And I know people will like to overcomplicate the crap out of it. This is the 4-hour chart, and what happens if it keeps breaking lower? Well, I really don't doubt that it will keep breaking, but this is currently the range that I'm looking at. So yeah, if something happens like a big catalyst or breaks, I'm here to buy. But like selling this, not my cup of tea. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights.